8 modules to run your entire business are available in Fujitsu WE. Workforce capacity is all about your employees and contractors, their capability and availability, and get the right people in the right place at the right time. Start with planning for resources on a company level and organize your budget in detailed profiles and child budgets for departments. Define your needs to search for resources throughout the entire organization and let Fujitsu WE help you find the right people for the job. Supply your resources or apply yourself for any open job opportunities. Involve recruitment to find the right candidates when additional resources are needed. Finally, make reservations from the list of proposed resources and get ready for workforce scheduling. Workforce scheduling is all about using your workforce's time in the most efficient way. Manage your resource profiles and plan for changes in, for example, working schedules or department. Understand actual working hours from work schedules, company holidays and personal time off. Plan resources on the work to be done with the powerful Fujitsu WE planning engine. Get real-time insight in utilization and availability of resources to steer your company in the right direction.